Okay, sit. Hey guys, it's Samantha Erica here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. It's going to be a natural hair product haul video, and it's just going to be a couple stuff that I picked up at my local beauty supply store on the weekend. And I do have Christian here with me, so he's going to be joining us today. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. And the first two products that I picked up are for Christian, and they're from the Shea Moisture line. And the first one is the Coconut and Hibiscus Kids 2-in-1 Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner, and that's what it looks like. I've actually already used this in his hair today, and it's actually amazing. Well, amazing compared to what I've been washing his hair with. So I've been washing his hair with the Cetaphil, this one, Cetaphil Baby Wash and Shampoo. So I would give him his bath with this, and then I'll shampoo his hair with this. And it was working. Well, I thought it was working. It was cleaning his hair. It was definitely cleansing his hair. But once I tried this product today, it's like so much better. Like, it made his hair feel so soft, softer than it's ever felt before, actually. So yeah, I picked up this and I don't regret it. So the next product that I got is also from Shea Moisture, and it's the Mango and Carrot Kids Nourish and Hydrate Styling Smoothie with Orange Blossom Extract for dry, delicate hair. And that's what that one looks like. And I also used some of this today in his hair after I washed it. I just put a little bit on my fingertips, and I put a little bit in his hair just to help define his curls. Okay, so the rest of the products that I got are for me. And the first thing that I got is by Camille Rose, and this is gonna be my first time trying her products. So Camille Rose Naturals, and this is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse with castor and aniseed oil. It says, yeah, it says that it loves all curl types and textures. Asian ginger, nourishing essential oils, and castor seeds, specially infused for moisture retention and slip the natural way. So I've actually been looking forward to trying her products for a while now. I've actually just not been able to go to the beauty supply store. So like I said, I did went on the weekend and I took the chance to pick up some of her products. So that's the first thing that I got. Okay, Christian, where are you trying to go? You want to sit? You want to sit? Yeah. The next thing that I got is a conditioner. So again, Camille Rose Naturals. And this is the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. And that's what that looks like. It says a culinary cocktail blend of nourishing oils to soften and protect hair's moisture barrier the natural way. So I got the shampoo and the conditioner, and I'm actually very excited to try these products. The next thing that I got is also by Camille Rose Naturals, and this is the Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. So it has aloe vera and macadamia oil, and again it says it loves all curl types and transitioners. Okay, so okay, I haven't opened this yet. I actually just want to see what the consistency of the product is like. Okay. It smells so good. It's actually a very creamy consistency. I was expecting it to be more like a gel, but it's not. It's very creamy. So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's very creamy. Well, yeah, I guess it would be creamy because it's whipped. The next thing that I got, Christian has it in his hand right here, and this is a 3-in-1 edge control brush. Can we show it to them? And let's show everyone what we got. So that's what it looks like. It has the brush on this side, the comb on this side, and it has sort of like a flat part where you can use to, I guess, swoop your edges to the side. I don't know. But, oh, it's a spatula. So, yeah. The next thing that I got was this pack of hair ties. Last time I went to the beauty supply store, I got hair ties as well, but for some reason they always seem to disappear. So I got another pack of hair ties, and these are the ouchless hair ties. They don't have any metal parts or any glues or anything on it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. Anyway guys, that is the end of today's video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Say bye, Christian. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye, everyone. Say bye, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. So I'm gonna be in the next video. Yes. Yes. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering what's going on with my hair, I am doing a braid out. So I have it braided, but I haven't taken it out yet. So I just put it back in a hair tie so it's not like hanging down looking all crazy. But yeah, bye.